Now I've had a problem with my window for some time. When my door's open, it doesn't work. But when my door's shut, it works. So I haven't worried about it up until now. It's a nice hot day. I'm sat in the van, I'm about to open the window and it doesn't work. So I've opened and shut the door, still not working. So I've got no choice but to fix it. Now I've had a good look and I've noticed this is all loose. Don't know if you can see that. But basically this has come away from the door. It shouldn't be like this, so I'm guessing water has got down in there. It's got to my contacts in my wiring, so I'm guessing that that's what the problem is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all this out, have a look at the contacts, maybe give them a clean, put it all back together. Fingers crossed it works. So let's take a little look if I can get it apart. Oh, there we go. You can see that it's all come a bits, it's all like come untucked. Yeah, these contacts have definitely got wet, they've all gone green. So let's go and get some WD-40 and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do to clean these contacts. So I'm going to try and do this from sitting inside the van so I can show you what I'm doing. I've got my good old can of WD-40. Other lubricants are available. This isn't a paid promotion. Right, so the thing I'm going to do, I'm simply going to take these apart, spray WD-40 inside. I should be wearing gloves really, like that. And just simply put them together and wiggle them in and out a couple of times. So clip them together, in and out, like that. Give it a thorough good in and out. Get it nice and lubricated, like that. And that should clean the contacts. So that's that one, and I'm going to do them all because there are some smaller ones. I'm guessing the thicker wire is for the windows, but these smaller ones don't look too good either. So I'm just forcing these in and out a few times like this. Do this one again. So I'm going to cover them all in WD-40, give them a good soaking. Yeah, this is messy, but if it works, I'll be happy. Now this thick one is probably for the mirrors, I mean the windows. So I'll just give it a good jiggling and poking in there, in and out, in and out. Nice and lubricated, get it in there, like that. Same again with these smaller ones. And the smaller ones are for the mirrors, so we won't miss them out because they all look a bit green, which means the copper contacts have corroded. So we'll give them a good like that. And these little tiny ones as well, if I can get them apart. See, that's really stuck together, that one. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. This one's really green. You probably can't see it on the camera, but yeah, there's loads of green in there. Just force it in and out a couple of times. Hopefully that shifts some of that corrosion and it'll make good contact. Right, I've done that one, this one. Yep. Oh god, yeah. Both ends, a thorough good soaking. Get them nice and lubricated, nice and messy. It's alright, it's only WD-40, it's not going to hurt the rubber or the paint or anything like that, it's quite safe. Right. So I'll poke all them back in there. I'm going to leave them soaked in WD-40, then that way it'll protect it if it does get wet later on. This I shall put back together. This ring should be inside this rubber, so it's actually come out. That's why the water's got in. don't know if it's meant to go a certain way or not. Let's go check inside here for any. There you go, there's a notch there. There's a notch in that, inside that ring. There's a notch in this plastic ring. So I'm guessing those notches line up. Yep, that's in there. It's a bit slippery now. Might have overdone it a bit with the WD-40. There we go. Oh dear, what do I do, eh? The things I do. Push it in too far. There, that's all right. Yep, that's in that notch now, so it won't twist. What's now I've got to do is poke it all back in the hole. Make sure it's all nice and neat. It's a bit naff. I wonder it come out. That's it. I've got a rag. I should have got a rag. Back in a minute. I don't want to touch my keys with all these gritty. Before I touch my keys, I'll just wipe all this off my hands. Fingers crossed. Leave a comment below if you think this is going to work. Put yes or no. So if you think my window's going to work, put yes. If you think it's not going to work, then put no. I'll give you a couple of seconds to answer. See who's right. I'm kind of hoping it'll work. Let's have a look. The boy's a genius. There you go. I'm so relieved. Does the other side work? Yep. Do the mirrors work? Yep. There you go. Golden. There you are. Now I've got to admit, I've had this problem before on another Mercedes I had an old C-Class, and I had exactly the same problem. When I opened the door, the window wouldn't work. When I closed the door, it would. And once I cleaned those contacts, it all worked. So I kind of knew it would work. Well, there you are, it actually works. So if you've got windows that are temperamental, that don't work every now and again, maybe, just maybe, fingers crossed, all you need to do is unplug your plugs, give them a little jiggle, bit of WD-40, jiggle them about a bit, and it'll be golden. There you go. So if you found this video mildly entertaining or even informative, or maybe even useful, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and by subscribing to my channel you help save the local wildlife, because I've got 2 cats and they're both hungry. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now.